I'm Kahnita and I am the Instagram Stories producer for Popsugar Fitness. I don't normally wear white because I'm afraid of getting stained. I'm gonna have to be very careful with the liquids and my makeup and the foods that I'm eating.
I was super clean, but I brushed up against my car and now I'm dirty.
I'm Genevieve. I'm the senior fitness video producer at Popsugar. I produce all of the Class Fit Sugar and Dance Fit Sugar workout videos. I wanted to do the OxiClean Wear White Fearlessly challenge because I love wearing white, and I was excited to see if you can wear white, get stains, and have them go away.
Good luck today.
You like my little gift that I got you?
I do.
I started the day, I got some makeup on my shirt, and then when I was trying to sabotage you, I sabotaged myself and got the berries on my pants.
My stain is bigger, but maybe less noticeable.
Yeah,
I have like just my
oh my
whole
god.
side.
It's literally your whole
Just
leg.
the whole leg.
So today is gonna be a pretty normal day at work, but I also have a smoothie shoot.
I put all of the berries into the smaller bowls because I thought it would be funny to try to see her struggle and see if she could do it without spilling on herself.
So I kind of just went for it.
I feel like I have to watch out because I'm pretty clean. I just have a small dirt mark on the side of my leg, but all in all, I feel like I look pretty pristine. So I know she's gonna try to find some ways to get me even.
I think it's a competition all in fun. We're trying to, you know, kind of one-up each other because you're curious to see at the end of the day, will the OxiClean White Revive actually remove the stains?
We're gonna order each other lunch. I decided to order a big plate of spaghetti for Genevieve.
Whoa. I ordered Kahnita this enormous vegan burger.
This looks so good.
I feel like I made it out without a single stain.
I definitely got barbecue sauce all over my pants.
In the fitness studio, Kahnita and I are going to be doing one of our Class Fit Sugar workout videos.
I'm hoping that Genevieve gets a few more stains so she can kind of match my level.
I sometimes get stained when I work out because sometimes you'll do a move that has you on the floor on a mat and you kind of rub against something that will get you a bit dirty.
I just found another stain on my back. I think it's
Oh my
makeup.
God, that one stain is bigger than all my other stains. I don't understand, Kahnita.
No idea. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. We did it!
We did it!
Yes, my biggest stain of the day came from giving Kahnita a hug and getting some of her makeup on my shoulder.
I guess I'm just leaving stains everywhere today. So I'm gonna go home and soak and wash my clothes with OxiClean White Revive powder and then come back tomorrow and see how they turned out.
Wow, wait, is this the same outfit as yesterday?
It is. Can you believe it?
No, I can't believe
Zero
it.
stains, all of the barbecue sauce, the makeup, the berry stains, everything is gone.
I can't believe the berry stains are gone.
I know.
I've gotten berry stains in the past and have just thrown out the
And
shirt
they're
because
like
they're
impossible
in forever.
to get out.
I didn't have as many stains as you, but they all came out so easily.
Well, starting today, you ready to wear all white all the time?
I'm in.
Cool,
I'm in.
let's do it. Wear white fearlessly.